Send over to meteorologist Faith Colbert for a look at the forecast today as a weather impact alert. Jasmine, is there something wrong?
Doing all that storytelling this morning.
Well,
Let's send things over to meteorologist Faith Colbert for a check of the weather. Have those umbrellas on standby, Faith.
Yeah, for sure. I was just about to say, it is gorgeous outside, and that's also what's going to be the factor into today's forecast. We know as the sun comes up, it continues to provide us with heat, make the atmosphere a little bit more unstable, and so that's why the warmer we get into today, the more active showers we'll see across the region. 72 degrees right now. Winds out of the south at about 15 miles per hour. Here's a live look at our satellite and radar. Really, many of us are just seeing increasing cloud coverage. We're just now starting to see that line of showers and storms pull into our area, and it is for areas that are further north. Areas that are closer to Dallas will see the most activity this morning. That's another reason why they have a flash flood warning on the board in the DFW Metroplex. Lots of activity going on as you ride further north of 35. But as I mentioned, here in central Texas, things are not as active just yet. With that increased cloud coverage, we will see temperatures struggle to break into the 80s. I think many of us are going to teeter along the lines of the mid 70s into this afternoon. So Mother Nature is not coming empty-handed, and although we're seeing this drop in temperatures, the front, it's not here just yet. We're just seeing a drop in temperatures because of all the rain and all the cloud coverage into our forecast today. Look into the afternoon. As I mentioned, we'll have more rounds of showers and storms, some of which could produce small hail at times. We get into this evening. Similar pattern, have the umbrella, have the rain jacket, have the rain boots, something to keep you dry. Into the overnight hours, we'll still expect showers and storms to be possible. It's just coverage will be dwindling down, but rain is still going to be likely. And what's not good to see is any additional rain on top of what we already see, on top of the flood watch that we have on the board, could lead to, once again, continuing to see flooding possible across the region. So something to just keep in mind over the next several hours. We get into tomorrow morning, there goes our last push of rain because, as you guessed it, a cold front is going to usher in drier air, bring us north winds, help to dry us out. Severe weather risk, according to the Storm Prediction Center, we are in the lowest risk, 1 out of 5, so marginal risk is expected, but even then, we can still anticipate gusty winds and, once again, small hail at times. Forecast rainfall today, I think many of us across the region, isolated areas could top out to about 1.5 inches, if not 2 inches, and that's just today alone. Over the next 7 days, we'll see rain chances near about 2, 3, 4 inches because we're also watching rain into Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Dry air ushers in behind Monday night, and that's going to help those temperatures fall as we get into your Thanksgiving holiday. Before we get into all of that, have to get through today's weather impact alert day. Once again, that chance for scattered thunderstorms will be impressive for all of us across central Texas. We get a break of rain on Saturday. Rain comes back on Sunday. We have about 40 to 50% chance of showers and storms across the region. But look at those morning lows into Wednesday. We top out near about the lower 50s. Into your Thanksgiving forecast, it's likely many of us could see some upper 40s. So go ahead and get the fall outfits together. Possibly could see some cooler weather with those afternoon highs in the mid 60s. Either way, lots of rain on the way. This will help to improve our drought conditions as we get into next week's drought monitor update across the state. Micah, Jasmine.
All right, Faith.